Alright, so we have frequency is a constant of a wavelength. So wavelength is 589. So we have 589 nanometer, which is 589 times 10 to the power negative 9. And from there we know that the constant, which is C, which is 3 times 10 to the power 8. That's the constant value, that's meter per second. And then we know that the frequency is 3.0 times 10 to the power 8, that's meter per second. All that divided by wavelength. So the wavelength is 589 nanometer. So we change nanometer there, we're changing it into meter. So that's going to be 1 nanometer is equivalent to 10 to the power negative 9 meter. So the nanometer cancels out, the meter cancels out, so the frequency is per second. So we have 3.0 multiplied by 10 to the power 8 divided by 589 multiplied by 10 to the power negative 9 gives us 5.09. So that's our answer, 5.09, 10 to the power 14 per second. So that's the unit for frequency. Oh, that is 5.089 multiplied by 10 to the power 14 Hz per second, or Hz. So this is your tutor Black Adam. If you've liked the video, please don't forget to follow or subscribe. Thank you.